Episode 1.
It's over here.
Yes.
Justin,
Come
come here.
on. Come on.
Justin,
Yeah?
I literally had 3 tacks. I
Yay.
just had to drop 2. Come here.
Yo,
me if
my
you load
brother
it.
is playing some
Justin, you
Fortnite.
have a good loadout.
I'm better than you, so I really don't care.
Right,
Woo,
Justin?
woo, 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 what?
I'm having to stare down with your dog.
Here, bud.
He just winked at me.
This is the most overpowered thing in the game. This is overpowered.
I'm trying to take a selfie with my brother, with my dog. Ross. Ow, selfie! It's a selfie!
Russell, come get me. Russell.
Come on, buddy. Come on, this is a selfie.
Broadcast is what, ready? Ready?
Right, Justin?
Yeah, I just took like 2 selfies with him.
Garbage. You have to put like 8 down to kill someone. No, dude, zapper traps are so bad.
What you gonna
Justin, don't you think?
do?
Justin, don't you?
What?
Zapper traps.
Let me see your loadout.
I have a pretty bad loadout. No, I'm not even gonna lie.
That's some bad.
Brother?
But that's a cool. Yeah, I got that skin.
Bro, I used to think this sniper was so good.
Russell, where you going?
What are you talking
Who you
about?
even playing with?
Xavier. What?
He's not even on there.
I know. I'm in a match.
No, I'm gonna do the rest of plays. So Blaze is going.
The hunting rifle is so good.
Please, no one's in the game with you.
I know.
Yeah, so why are you shooting at all
I'm waiting for
that?
him to get back. Stop!
Yeah, you're the